Imagine a factory so advanced it's not just building cars, it's building the future. Welcome to Tesla's Giga Texas, where the impossible becomes reality every single day. Nestled in the heart of Austin, this colossal structure sprawls across a landscape that once seemed too vast to tame. Yet, here it stands, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. From the outside, it might look like just another industrial giant, but step inside and you'll find a world where science fiction meets reality. This is no ordinary factory. This is Elon Musk's vision brought to life. A place where the hum of machinery blends with the whispers of innovation, and where robots dance in perfect harmony, crafting vehicles that will redefine transportation as we know it. Inside Giga Texas, the air is electric with possibility. The factory floor is a symphony of motion with hundreds of robotic arms moving in flawless coordination. These aren't just machines, they're the backbone of a revolution. Each one is programmed to perform its task with precision, from welding and painting to assembling intricate components. They work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without a moment's pause. And the most astonishing part? They're learning. These robots are equipped with AI that allows them to adapt, improve, and even correct their own mistakes. It's as if they have a mind of their own, constantly evolving to become faster, smarter, and more efficient. The result is a production line that churns out a new Tesla every 40 seconds, a feat that would have seemed impossible just a few years ago. But the true marvel of Giga Texas lies in its heart, the Gigapress. This behemoth of a machine is one of the heaviest pressing devices in the world, capable of exerting a staggering 10,000 tons of pressure. To put that into perspective, imagine the combined weight of 2,000 elephants pressing down with all their might. The Gigapress doesn't just shape metal, it transforms the very way cars are built. In a single, thunderous motion, it molds large sections of a vehicle's frame, eliminating the need for dozens of smaller parts and welds. This not only makes the car stronger and lighter, but also slashes production time. What once took hours now takes minutes, and the implications are staggering. This is manufacturing at the speed of thought, where innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's the very foundation of everything Tesla does. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the vehicles themselves. First up is the Model Y, Tesla's best-seller SUV. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's designed for both families and thrill seekers alike. Here in Giga Texas, the Model Y is crafted with such precision that every curve, every line, feels like it was sculpted by hand. But it's not just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Thanks to the advanced manufacturing techniques employed here, the Model Y boasts a build quality that's second to none. And then there's the Cybertruck, a vehicle that looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its sharp angles, bulletproof exoskeleton, and extreme durability, it's not just a truck, it's a statement. The Cybertruck is Tesla's bold declaration that the future of transportation is here, and it's being built right in the heart of Texas. But the innovation doesn't stop with the vehicles. At the core of every Tesla is the 4680 battery cell, a next-generation power source that's set to change the game. These aren't just batteries. They're the lifeblood of Tesla's vision. Larger and more powerful than their predecessors, the 4680 cells offer increased range, faster charging, and a longer lifespan. Imagine driving further on a single charge, spending less time plugged in, and knowing your battery will last for years without a hitch. That's the promise of the 4680, and it's being produced on a massive scale right here in Giga Texas. This breakthrough isn't just a win for Tesla, it's a warning shot to the entire auto industry. With lower production costs and higher efficiency, Tesla's poised to make electric vehicles more accessible than ever before. Speaking of production, Giga Texas isn't just big, it's a powerhouse. With the capacity to produce over 2 million vehicles annually, it's setting new standards for the automotive world. That's 2 million cars, each one a marvel of engineering rolling off the assembly line every year. And it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Every vehicle is monitored by a network of sensors and AI algorithms that track every detail, from the torque of a bolt to the gloss of the paint. This data-driven approach ensures that every Tesla that leaves the factory is as close to perfection as possible. It's no wonder that Tesla's vehicles have become synonymous with reliability and cutting-edge technology. But Giga Texas isn't just about production. It's about responsibility. In a world where industrial giants are often seen as environmental villains, Tesla is rewriting the narrative. The factory is designed to operate on zero carbon emissions, with solar panels covering its roof and a water recycling system that minimizes waste. Green spaces surround the facility, ensuring that the land remains in harmony with nature. This is more than just a factory. It's a beacon of sustainable manufacturing, proving that industry and the environment can coexist. Elon Musk's dream of a sustainable future isn't just a slogan, it's being built, brick by brick, in Giga Texas. Of course, building something this ambitious didn't come without its challenges. From securing the land in Austin to navigating the complexities of government approvals, the road to Giga Texas was fraught with obstacles. And then there was the pandemic, a global crisis that brought industries to their knees. But while the world slowed down, Tesla pressed on. Safety protocols were implemented, shifts were restructured, and technology was leveraged to keep the construction on track. It's a testament to the resilience and determination of everyone involved. Giga Texas isn't just a building, it's a symbol of what's possible when vision meets unwavering commitment. And the innovation doesn't stop here. Beyond the cars and the batteries, Giga Texas is also home to the future of robotics, the Optimist, Tesla's humanoid robot. This isn't just a machine, it's a glimpse into a world where technology enhances every aspect of our lives. Optimus is being trained right here in the factory, learning to perform tasks that were once the domain of humans. From lifting heavy objects to navigating complex environments, it's evolving with each passing day. Elon Musk envisions a future where Optimus isn't just a factory worker, but a household companion, handling mundane tasks and making life easier for everyone. It's a bold vision, but if there's one thing Giga Texas has taught us, it's that the future is closer than we think. So what does all this mean for the world? Giga Texas is redefining the auto industry. It's not just about making cars, it's about setting a new standard for what's possible. Legacy automakers are scrambling to catch up, but Tesla is already miles ahead. With its sights set on producing the most advanced vehicles at the lowest cost, Tesla is poised to dominate the market, and Giga Texas is the command center of this mission. A place where the future is being built, one innovation at a time. If you're as fascinated by the future of technology as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the innovations shaping our world. And let us know in the comments, what do you think the next big breakthrough will be?